Hi, I'm going to introduce a free video editor for Windows 10. From your browser, search Olive Video Editor. Simply hit download to get in. Now, depending on your operating system, click it to download. I've chosen Windows and I'm going to download the 64-bit portable version. Click it and wait for a while. Hit OK to start downloading. It's ready. Simply click to open the download, and you'll see a zip folder in your computer. Right-click and extract all. Hit Next and wait for the unzip. Get back to the download location and delete the zip file. You'll see the Olive Editor folder with the version number. Right-click and rename it. Ctrl X to cut to your desired location. I put it inside the program files, then Ctrl V to paste the editor. Now, when you click inside, scroll down and you'll find the Olive Editor. Double-click it to start. And you're ready to edit your video. That's it. Thanks for watching.